about further trigonometry, specifically the cosine rule? Let's take this triangle. The given angle A has the opposite side A, the angle B has the opposite side B, and the angle C has the opposite side C. Now for the cosine rule, the square of A is just equal to the sum of the square of B and C minus 2 times the side B and the side C cosine of the angle opposite of A. This is the angle A and the opposite side A. Can you see the pattern? Now this is what we call as the cosine rule. The derivation of this formula will be discussed inside the classroom. What we need to learn today is when to use the cosine rule. Let's take an example. In triangle PQR, PQ is 10.8 centimeters and QR is 15.9 centimeters. And the value of the angle PQR is 71 degrees. Find the length of PR. If there is a given angle in between of the two sides and you are asked to find the third side, then cosine rule is applicable. So we can say PR squared is equivalent to the sum of the square of the two sides, so 10.8 squared plus 15.9 squared, minus 2 times the two sides, 10.8, 15.9, cosine of the included angle 71, which is the opposite angle of the unknown side PR. By simplifying the right side, PR squared is equivalent to 257.64, and extract the roots of both sides, then PR is equivalent to 16.1 centimeters in 3 significant figures. Let's have the second example. In triangle PQR, PQ is equal to 13 centimeters, QR is equal to 18 centimeters, and PR is equivalent to 11 centimeters. Find the measure of the angle R. If there are 3 sides given, and you are asked to find the measurement of an angle, then the cosine rule is applicable. So we can say the opposite side of the unknown angle R is 13, so we start at 13 squared is equivalent to the sum of the squares of the other two sides, 18 squared and 11 squared, minus 2 times the two sides, 18 and 11, cosine the angle R. So we can simplify this as cosine of angle R is equal to 18 squared plus 11 squared minus 13 squared all over 2 times 18 times 11. Since we are computing the measurement of an angle, we need to use the inverse of the cosine. And by calculating, the value of the R is 45.8 degrees in 3 significant figures. So when to use the cosine rule? First, if there is a given angle which is between of the two given sides, or if there are 3 sides given. Now get your pen, journal, and calculator, and it's time for you to try the 2 problems. Pause this video and solve these 2 problems in your journal. Let's have the first example. In triangle ABC, AC measures 7 centimeters, while BC is 5 centimeters. The angle in between, angle ACB, measures 60 degrees. Solve the length of the side AB. Pause this video and write your workings on your journal. For the second problem, in triangle ABC, the 3 sides are given. AC measures 6.7 centimeters, AB measures 5.3 centimeters, and BC measures 3.8 centimeters. Calculate the measure of the angle A. Pause this video and write your workings in your journal. And this is the formula for the cosine rule.